Hey guys, what's up? Gamer Mode here and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are looking at Shamo's clear case. This is available on Amazon for only $10. So what are we waiting for? Let's look at it. As you can see already, there's no paperwork inside, just the case itself. First impression, looks good, feels good. So yeah, I don't have any complaints at the moment. So by the look of it, it's actually really clear. So unlike my review of the Signet Clear case, fresh from the box, you can see that it's yellow already. But with this one, it's clear. It's nice and clear. Just a quick browse of the case. The volume buttons, the openings for your silent button, your charging openings, and then your speaker holes. And then there's a design at the bottom. I don't know what's that for, but it adds a good look to it. Yep, and then there's four corner bumps, which will add protection to your phone. Let's see how it looks on the phone. So there you go. This is how it looks. Let's also check at the back. As you can see, there's enough opening for your cameras. You can see the design of your phone as well. It's good. There's enough space for your ring or a silent switch. Can easily access it. Yep, the closer look. And the buttons are soft to touch as well. The volume up and volume down. Yep, so there you go, your charging port and then your speaker holes. And then your power button. Same as your volume up and down, they're soft to touch as well. It says on Amazon that it has 1mm camera bump, but as you can see, I can still see the camera. So if you drop your phone, there's no protection for your camera. Unlike with the front protection is good, but camera protection is not really good. Overall, this is a budget-friendly case. Looks good, feels good, and you can showcase the design of your phone. The only downside of this case is the camera, so you don't have enough protection for your camera. So what are your thoughts in this case? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you're interested in this case, I'll put the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe so that when I upload videos like this, you'll be notified and you won't miss any of the future videos. Again, hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, peace out.